All right, y'all, we did it. Well, you did it. And now it's time to make good on my promise and go buy a new motorcycle. So let's go. If you're still hanging around, my name is Rev, and here at Rev Moto NC, we do all things motorcycles. We are super excited about what we're up to today, and if you haven't already, would love for you to like and subscribe to our channel. We're getting ready to embark on something super fun. About a month ago, I said that we had a goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers. And if we could hit that goal, I would commit to a winter project, a project where we would build a chopper Sportster. And so we hit that goal, and we are about to head out to buy said. All right, we're getting ready to go here. The sun is not being kind. So we got a little extra cash that we'll throw here just in case we need a little extra cash. And as always, we never travel alone because you never know with people these days. So here we go. So as we're getting ready to roll out, we got some koozies and stickers for our new friend Justin. So we'll give him some Rev Moto stickers and koozies. Y'all, I can't say thank you enough. It's only because of you guys that I'm able to do this. I threw down the challenge. I wanted to hit 1,000 subscribers. You made it happen, and so I'm a man of my word, and we are making good on my end of the deal to start a project for the winter. We're going to build a chopper over the winter. On my way about an hour north of where I live in Kannapolis, North Carolina, to pick up the bike, and I'm excited, but I'm also kind of terrified. I've never done anything quite like this before, and so I'm sure there are going to be things that we do really well, and there are probably going to be things that we mess up and have to redo. And so I'm really looking forward to getting to tear a bike apart and to learn as I go, and to invite my sons and friends into the build process as well. We think this is going to be really, really cool. Maybe it'll be a really big money pit and I'll end up hating it. I don't know, but we're glad to be bringing you guys along for this adventure. Well, guys, we just made the deal, getting ready to head back home. You know, it's a little rough in spots, but all I really need is the motor and the frame. So I'm okay with it. I think it's going to be a fun project. For what I spent on it, I can't be too badly hurt, even if I got to rebuild the whole motor. All right, it was kind of a long Sunday afternoon. You know, Sundays are kind of a big day for me, but Sunday afternoon, we went to High Point, took you guys along for that journey, got back here late. It was after dark, so we didn't show you the bike that day, but today we're ready to share it with you. It's right behind this door, and I hope you're as excited as I am.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So what we have here is a 1996 Sportster 883 with 18,000 original miles. Now, she's a little rough in some places. She's not very pretty at the moment, but it's a perfect platform and a great donor bike for what we have planned. I was impressed with some things like an eye bolt for a rear peg. I've never used an eye bolt for a rear peg, but in a pinch, it'll get her done. It looks like maybe the same person who used an eye bolt for the rear peg also tried to paint the exhaust system with something that was not high temperature paint. There's some odd little things about it, but it's going to be a great platform. It runs strong, it sounds good, and we're not really planning on using any of this anyway. We're going to chop the frame in half and put a hardtail kit on. We're going to put a Springer front end on, different bars, different wheels, different exhaust, like everything's going to be different. So it didn't really need to be pretty because I wasn't planning on bringing it home and riding it. Now, I will say I did zipper down the street the night I got home, just because you can't bring a new motorcycle home and not ride it. And I found out quickly there is 0 rear brakes on this thing, so that's cool, but who needs brakes anyway? Just, you know, do your thing. Fred Flintstone it, I guess. But we're really excited about this, and we're really excited to have you along for the journey. We're going to get her degreased, and then we'll get to really dig in and start tearing this thing apart.